At Brevolution, we are incredibly pleased to present our new cleaning series, which consists of 3 products. The first product we are introducing today is the highly effective and popular Trisani Wash Ops, a specialized soap designed to efficiently remove all types of organic matter. Next, we have the innovative Trisani Sip Ops, a product specifically engineered for cleaning using a pump. And last but not least, we have Trisani Sun Ops, which is for manual cleaning by hand. Trisani Wash Ops from Brevolution is a basic soap designed to remove all organic matter. You use hot water and rinse with hot water afterward. Easily and thoroughly removes all organic matter, leaving it completely clean but not sterile. Then we have Trisani Sun Ops, which is an acid specifically designed to remove all types of deposits, such as stubborn limescale, hard-to-remove beer stone, and other mineral buildups. It also eliminates bacteria. Dissolves easily and completely in cold water and must be rinsed with cold water afterward. It produces an abundant amount of foam, which allows for a long contact time while cleaning, and thus ensures thorough cleanliness. And this is the process of manual cleaning by hand. Trisani Zip Ops is specifically and especially used for pump cleaning, meaning in particular our bucket blaster, cleaning of our Brewster Dominator, where the pump is used with the sip head, or cleaning of the fermentation tank, where the pump and sip head are also used additionally. Cold water solution, rinsed with cold water afterward, removes all deposits, eliminates beer stone, limescale, and bacteria. Easy to use. Enjoy.